Hey everybody, I'm trying out the GoPro Hero 9 5K camera. I'm not shooting in 5K right now, but I made an error on this video saying that the batteries were backwards compatible. It's true of the Hero 8, but the Hero 9 batteries are not. They're unique to that camera, and I'll show you why. As you can see right there, how much bigger it is. It won't fit in the Hero 8, 7, 6, 5, anything backwards from that. But just wanted to clarify that was my mistake. Instead of reshooting the entire video, I wanted to insert this in ahead of it. So thanks, I apologize for the mistake there and ahead of time, and please enjoy the video. Hi everyone, figured I'd do an unboxing. Got some mail today. Let's see what it is. Now let's open this one first, actually. Okay. This will kind of give us a little bit of a clue here. SanDisk Extreme 128 gigabyte. All right, that's one clue. Let's see what we have in here. Media mod for a Hero 9. That gives it away right there, I guess. Let's open it up here. This is their, I guess, Black Friday Christmas deal that they had going on for, I believe it was $3.59. You got some extras with it and a year subscription to their service there. Well, there it is right there. Rechargeable battery. This is other stuff I ordered. All right, I'm gonna set this over here for right now. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, everyone's telling me about this. This is the case. This is part of the bundle. You got this nice case to keep it in. Of course, I always open the GoPro stuff from the bottom, including the cameras. There we go. And look at that. Look how that comes. Isn't that nice? You got floaty handle here. This is the magnetic mount. That'll work good. 2 batteries. These batteries are a little more expensive now because these are larger batteries, remember. And looks like we got 2 of their standard GoPro mounts and the helmet one. And of course, the camera with that front display that they've been touting. All right. I got one more battery with my order. These are a different battery, and if you're not familiar with them, the Hero 8 and Hero 9 cannot use the old batteries. but the older cameras can use the new batteries. They're a larger battery. They have some kind of proprietary thing where the cameras won't accept the old ones. Boy, they don't make it easy to get into here, do they? All right. Hold this for a little battery. All right, there's our battery. Additional battery. Let's take a look at that media mod here. This allows you to use external lighting. Also allows you to use external audio. And it's got the side of it's got a spot where you can plug in 3.5 millimeter jack, which is a lot better than having to buy that darn dongle that they had before. And of course, some more GoPro mounts. Looks like, oh, we even got a wind muff for it. Appears that this wind muff clips right onto it. That's a neat little operation. We'll have to try that mic out and see how it is in future videos, and you have to let me know what you think of it. Pretty interesting. Nice part about this too is they've got dust covers. I'm not sure if it's waterproof. I'll have to read a little more on it. I don't believe so yet. But you open it up, the camera slides in, snaps together. It's going to be interesting. We'll have to give it a try, and you'll have to let me know on the future videos how it sounds and how the video is. It's supposed to be able to capable of 5K video. For right now, I probably won't be shooting 5K video because it'd probably take me 2 days from where I'm at right now to get it uploaded. And I don't think you guys want to wait that long for a video. I hope you don't. But that's all I have for you right now. The rest is a backpack. Their day tripper backpack, which has got waterproof. Also has a bladder, area for a bladder right here, or a laptop. But pretty high quality bag. And be my my bug out bag when I go to shoot a video. So if you have any questions about any of the equipment I use, feel free to ask. I can do a video if you like on that one day. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'd like to welcome all the new subscribers again. I couldn't be happier the way the channel's growing, and I hope you like the content I'm bringing to you. I'm going to keep it coming. That's what everybody says, keep it coming. So hope you all enjoy your day. Thanks for making mine special. Bye-bye.